Are you looking for the best rolling TV stands in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rolling TV stands that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Vivo Black TV Cart for LCD LED Plasma Flat Panel Stand. If your family wants a unique design and wants to give a new look to the room, then buy Vivo Black TV Cart made from extremely high-quality material. It can use for any model within 32 inches to 65 inches length. There are swivel wheels attached to the bottom of the stand allowing you to move it from one place to another. At number 4, Fitueyes TT207,001 MB Swivel TV Stand. The manufacturer has created this stand by keeping the minimalist in time. You can adjust the height of this stand according to your requirement. It comes with a modern design that can support all the models between 32 and 65 inches. Furthermore, you are free to direct the television in any direction as per your needs. At number 3, Kanto MTM65PL TV Stand with Wheels and Mount. The Kanto MTM65 leaders made for people who want to move their TV with ease. It comes with quick-releasing locks on wheels that hardly give any trouble. The product made from a high-quality steel frame having a powder finish that looks pretty attractive. At number 2, Yaheetech Universal Flat Screen TV Cart Stand. If you want to enhance your viewing experience, then buy the Yaheetech Universal TV Stand. It can accommodate TVs of almost all designs. Also, it offers you the liberty to adjust TV at any viewing angle. This stand has a maximum loading capacity of 110 pounds that is enough for the majority of models. At number 1, Vivo TV Cart for LCD LED Plasma Flat. If you want to take your experience to a completely new level, then buy the Vivo TV Cart now. It made from a very high-quality material that allows it to offer amazing protection to the TV. Some best features of this product are smooth movement wheels, universal sizing and perfect tilt to offer the right viewing experience. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.